Moitza, a long time no see.
Long time no record.
No record and no post. Oof.
What was happening? Why did it took us forever?
A long story, super long story short, we launched an online business last year, and it basically took all of our free time. We did go to a few track days, but you know, with the
We recorded.
yeah, we recorded, but
Everything?
we didn't edit yet. But this is a super exciting episode, or like kind of first intro vlog, because we are currently standing in a warehouse / shifted headquarters. What? Say what?
What the hell happened in 1 year, dude?
Yeah, exactly. So the online business basically grew so much that we actually opened a physical store, so a physical location, and we needed what?
For everyone wondering what the online business
It's not car parts.
What?
It's not car parts.
What is it?
It's crystals and
my
incense.
God.
What? Super related to the car stuff we're doing, but
I mean, it kind of is. Porsche has a lot of crystal named
that is
colors.
Yeah, one of my favorite colors, or two of my favorite
Yes.
colors: the amethyst metallic and ruby stone red.
So kind of car related.
Kind of. Anyway, we needed space for all the inventory, so we rented two adjacent locations or warehouses, whatever. And in this one, we're actually gonna build a small, we're gonna dedicate a small portion to having a proper car workshop. So yours truly won't have to install and do all the stuff on the GT3 outside. So
Life goal achieved.
Guess how happy I am right now.
Very happy.
Okay, right now I'm not that happy because nothing is installed yet, but things are slowly moving in the correct direction. And tomorrow, actually, there are some contractors coming and painting the walls and such. So that's why I wanted to record a super quick intro to the place and our vision and so on. And hopefully we're gonna keep you updating on the progress we're making on this space. So let's do a quick tour. So this place looks huge, but it's really not that huge because we were measuring stuff for where the lift is gonna be, and it's gonna take some thinking through to have enough space to work on at least one car, and one car is gonna have a parking spot right where you're standing. So we are gonna paint this wall. I'm not gonna tell you which color yet. And we're gonna have a workbench here, and the lift is gonna be there, and this beautiful concrete brick wall is gonna have a few shelves inside, and we're gonna store fluids and stuff. So that is it for the workshop part, and then we are gonna have the actual warehouse bit and all the shelves and stuff right here, but as you can see, there's a ton of room above.
There's a lot of.
There is.
Do you know how high the ceiling is?
I think it's like 5.7 meters tall, or high. So to use this room and to actually basically make our dreams come true, we are gonna build kind of like a man / woman cave, right?
Thank you.
We shouldn't discriminate.
Yes.
But basically a hangout area on top of the shelves. So it's gonna be like overlooking the workshop area. It's gonna have couches, our sim rig, maybe a TV, surround system and stuff like that. So yeah, it's gonna be used to just, relax. Huh? What? Hang out, yeah.
And have a good time.
Yeah, and with this place, we are hoping to, to get more petrol heads together and hang out, talk about cars and cool stuff, and maybe.
You know how that's called? A community.
Community. So we're building a shifted community.
Yes, we are.
Surprise!
Yay.
Yeah, we are gonna have at the moment one lift. So, we have done our fair bit of work on the cars during the years, and probably more of that is coming. And having a lift, so you can come in before a track day, and we can work on the car and change brakes, change brake pads and stuff like that. So it's gonna be exciting, and it's basically making our dreams come true.
Yes.
So I think that's it. Actually, there is an office for the big boss upstairs
Me?
for you, yeah. And you can zoom in. There's like a bottle of water and a bottle of whiskey. So I don't know which one is for you, which one is for me. Probably the whiskey is for you because you're the big boss. Maita, how excited are you?
Very excited. I'm mostly excited because of you. This is the highest it can go.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so because I've been watching you work on our cars in, I think, November in like minus X degrees Celsius.
Yes.
And I know how in pain you were and your fingers were. So I'm excited for you. I'm excited that you won't be suffering anymore.
Come on, and you're gonna be able to work on the cars as well.
Yeah, because I hate the cold. I don't want to sacrifice myself.
You're gonna be able to fix the Mini when it breaks the next time.
Honestly, yes. I'm up for that.
Nice. Bonus. Here are tires for the Mini that we unfortunately won't be able to use because the GP Ice Race got cancelled this year. So next year. So yeah, that's it. Not actually a tour, but basically just an intro. Hopefully we can take you with us on the journey of making this place a bit better, a bit nicer, and a bit more petrolhead friendly. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you enable the notifications so you see when the next episode hits. And until then, stay shifted.